Viral text effects in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut app. Now click on the option New Project. Select the video of your choice. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Text. Click on the option Add Text. Now here you're gonna find different option, fonts, styles, effects, animations, and many more. Head over to the option Fonts. Under that, you're gonna find the section of Trending. Under that, you're gonna find all the viral fonts. From this list, you can select any of it. Likewise, head over to this section, Effects. Under Effects as well, you're gonna find different tab. Click on the tab Trending. So these are some viral text effects. So go ahead and type in your text. Now from the list of these text effects, you can select any of it. Just click on it. It will be applied. Once you are done, you will need to place your text. So you can drag this slider in this way. Once you have added text to your video, now you can export your video. So this way you can add viral text effects in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.